juicy chicken tacos, topped with fresh cilantro and onion, wrapped inside a warm, toasted up flour tortilla. You go ahead and dip it in that sauce and whoo, it's all over with, baby. This is so good, absolute pressure, and I can't wait for you guys to try it. I'm about to show you how it's done, guys. So let's get started. So you want to go ahead and whip out your trusty blender, and everything we're doing here, all the ingredients and whatnot will be listed on the screen as well as down in the description box. So we are adding in a whole onion, a whole tomato. We also have chipotle and adobo sauce. We're going to drop one of those peppers in there. This pepper is extremely spicy, all right? One adds a nice little kick. If you want, you can split it down the middle to kind of bring down the heat, or you could not use that pepper at all. But one for me is perfect. I also dropped in a bunch of our dry seasonings as well as a splash of chicken broth. All right, you want to go ahead and give that a mix. So this is what you should be looking for. Moving on, I have my pot filled up with about 2 pounds of boneless and skinless chicken thighs. Yes, you can use chicken breasts if you want to, but I love me some chicken thighs, all right? So that's what we're using today. So go ahead and drop in all of that goodness from the blender as well as the remainder of that chicken broth. Go ahead and get that in there. And I'm just gonna get my hands and kind of mix it up a bit. Drop in a couple bay leaves, top it off, and we are gonna boil this for about 1 hour. We are just gonna let it do its thing, turn the heat to medium and let it simmer, baby. Once that hour is up, this is how you should be looking. Your house is gonna be smelling oh so good. I'm trying to let you know. All right, so our chicken is done. We are gonna remove it from the heat. We are gonna put it inside of a little bit of a mixing bowl or whatnot so we can bust that chicken down. So as you can see, our chicken is extremely tender. It takes no effort at all to tear this chicken apart. Once we have that taken care of, you want to go ahead and spoon you some of that yummy sauce right up on that chicken like so, and mix it all in, baby. So now this is our little assembly line to get our tacos going. I have my cast iron pan to about a medium, and I drizzle a little bit of oil in there. I dropped in my flour tortilla. Yes, you can use corn tortilla if you want to, but I love me flour tortillas. They taste better in my humble opinion. I dropped in some mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese blend you like. Also dropped in our yummy chicken, a mix of cilantro and onion. And as you can see, I'm just folding this bad boy up, letting both sides get toasty, letting that cheese get melty. You know what I mean? This is so good, guys. I can't wait for you guys to try this, and I mean it. It'll knock your socks off. I'm letting you know right now. So our taco here is pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this from the heat. Basically all the measurements and whatnot, this will equal to about 10 to 12 tacos, depending on how fat you make them. But yes, this is it. This is pressure. This is deliciousness. This is greatness. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And don't forget to get you a little bit of a bowl and get that yummy sauce in there and dip your tacos in there. Takes it to the next level. All right, the next level. Go ahead and dip it in there. Take a bite. Enjoy. Hope you guys all enjoyed watching today's video. I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you on the next one.